Hey all, I just wanted to come on. Oh, Katie's getting mad for just a couple of minutes and give you all an update on MeMaw. She is in the hospital. They're not 100% sure what exactly happened. She had a moment of weakness and kind of collapsed. Um, they're not entirely sure, and they won't know until tomorrow when they have the neuro people see her. She did have a CAT scan, and all her vitals are good. Um, they were just waiting to move her into a bed. They did all the stuff, so they're not expecting much to happen overnight. And then once the neuro people see her and get some results from that, then we can probably bring her home, possibly even as early as tomorrow, end of day tomorrow. So we'll see. Um, I don't know that they'll let us visit. They did let me go in tonight because she was in the emergency room, and I am her. I do have power of attorney for her, um, and I am her essential caregiver. So yeah, they did let me in, but once she's admitted, it means it's no longer an emergency, and so they may not bend their. Um, they have the passports that you have to go in certain places, and the hospital is one of those places. I didn't lie about it tonight. I just said no, but yes, I'm essential, and thankfully they made the exception. But anyway, she seemed better this evening when I saw her than she was this afternoon when they took her away in the ambulance. So that's all I can say for right now. I will keep you updated as I find more information. I'm sure I will call when I get up tomorrow if I sleep at all tonight. But really, they said they're gonna just keep her and observe her, and she's in good hands. So just keep praying, guys. God knows what He wants to do. It's in His hand. God's will be done. I want her here for me. I told him that too. God and I had a little conversation today, and I told him that I wanted her here for me. Um, I know how happy it would make her to be able to be at home with him, but I'm selfish. I would love her to stay. It'd be very hard on me to lose her. So I'm praying, and I ask you to pray. And that's it for this update. I'm going to go and have a Bible study because now's a good time to study the Bible. Take care of yourself. I will see you soon.